Hi there, my name is Ortez, and this is my shadowing. Friday, March 4th, 2011. More work worries. The numbers are bad, and everyone is a bit tense. My boss is always in a bad mood. It makes everyone more nervous. Why is work so stressful? It is not all bad. This morning I received a phone call. It was from Mr. Smith's secretary. She said that he needed to see me this afternoon. I explained that he is not my client, she should see my co-worker. The secretary said that he wanted to see me. She said it was about our meeting yesterday. Of course, I said yes. And we agreed to meet at 5 p.m. I went to his office and we talked for a short time about the meeting yesterday. He actually had nothing to say. Then he suggested that he work at a hotel because he was afraid of afternoon. We went to a bar near his office. It was very cool and expensive. I felt nervous and shy. We stayed for 2 cocktails. First, we talked about work. Then soon, we talked about the life and family and a lot of things. It was easy to talk to him. I quickly relaxed and enjoyed being with him. I am excited. What will happen next?